Hi guys, in this video is about how we do the testing of the drain pump with the one indoor unit selling cassette. This is for VRF system. Now our serviceman is drain out the water from the indoor unit because this indoor unit is leaking the water out to the building. So now we try to take out the drain pump and test is it still work or not. Now we take the drain pan, and you can see it's dirty inside the drain pan because it have fully water. And here is the drain pump that we take out in the small. It has the suction, and the suction is the below, and this the discharge in my hand. And here is the label. It uses 220 to 240 volt, and this is a Chinese model, I think, because there are the text of there. And it can be from the round per minute is 2,500 up to 2,800 round per minute. And now the serviceman try to test with the 220 volt direct to the pump, and when they plug the power to the pump, let's see it's still work or not. You can see the pump is pumping the water. This small pump capacity can pump the water up to 750 millimeter from the ceiling height. And now we tested the pump is still working. Now we try another way to put the pipe to the pump to make sure that the pump can stop the water from returning back when we unplug the power cable. That means when the power connection is cut off, if the pump still can stop the water. Pump is pumping into the pipe, and let's check out. And you can see the water is drained out from the piping connection, and now we cut off the power, and the pump cannot stop the water from the return back to the machine. That's why the aircon is leaking out the water. Now our serviceman try to check inside the pump what is the problem. After we test the drain pump, finally we found the problem is not because the drain pump is error. It is because the drain pipe is not sloped out to the wheel from the indoor unit. The slope is returned back to the indoor unit. That's why when we have the power connection, the drain pump still working, so the water will pump out all the time. But when the electricity is cut off, so the drain pump is immediately stopped, and all the water inside the main tube is returned into the indoor unit. That's why it's leaking out too much water into the floor, and that is the problem. And that's all for today, and thank you for your time watching my video. I hope this video will give you more idea when the problem is occur on your actual site installation with the water leakage from the indoor unit. And thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more video, and see you again in the next video. And thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.